In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways for beginners to buy your first Bitcoin with Huobi Global. And this is part of a series of videos. And in part 1, I'll be showing you how to buy your crypto using a credit or debit card and via bank transfer. Then in part 2, I'll show you how to sell your crypto and withdraw the cash back to your bank account. And I'll pop a timeline in the summary below so that you can just jump to specific parts of the tutorial if you wish. For more information on Huobi Global, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. So let's jump in and take a look how to buy. And if you don't already have a Huobi account, I'll put my link in the summary below that'll get you 20% off your trading fees. Plus, new users can also earn up to $170 just by following the registration instructions. In fact, for a limited time, they're even offering $300 and 40 Doge. If you've not yet bought your first cryptocurrency and you wanted to get started with fiat currency such as GBP, USD or Euros, you can buy it with Huobi. Huobi is a popular cryptocurrency exchange with more than 350 coins that you can trade with, and it's one of the most simple and easy platforms to use if you're buying crypto for the first time. Simply head to Huobi Global, register, and click Buy Crypto. And remember that you can earn up to $170 free by simply following the initial registration steps. And you can get access to 350 cryptos with 57 local currencies and 60 payment methods. From the right now, under the Buy tab, we can choose the currency that we'd like to pay with, and there's a whole host of options here. I'm from the UK, so I'm just going to choose GBP. Now I'd like to spend £50 for a card transaction here, and just so you know, the minimum amount is £10. And I'd like to buy Bitcoin, so I'll just select that from the list. But if you wanted to try your hand at another crypto, you can also select the likes of Ethereum from here too. Then you have a choice to buy with a card or GBP balance, which is essentially a bank transfer, and we're going to have a look at that in a moment. So let's choose Buy BTC now. And Huobi supports all high street bank debit or credit cards, but please note some debit cards like Monzo might be unsuccessful. However, today I'm going to be using Santander, which I know works. And it will then show the Bitcoin price. When you're buying with a credit card or a debit card, you may also be charged a fee. For this payment, that's 49p, which isn't a lot, but these fees can add up. Also with card payments, you are dictated by the price of Bitcoin that's supplied by Huobi, and it will then let you know how much you'll receive in Bitcoin. And as it states here, the crypto that you'll receive will be sent to your fiat balance, and we're going to take a look at that in a moment. From here, you can then add your bank card and continue with the payment. Plus, your card might also need to be verified before you go ahead and select it from the drop-down. And now that our purchase is complete, if we head across to balances at the top of the screen, and then to fiat, you can see my Bitcoin here. So that was a really quick and easy way to buy Bitcoin with a credit or a debit card. To save yourself on some fees, you can also deposit your fiat currency like GBP or Euros for free with faster payments, and you can then use that balance to buy your Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you that method now. This time we'll choose Deposit Fiat. Then choose our currency, which in my case again is going to be GBP, but you can also deposit Euros or USD if you wish. And as you can see, this transfer is free of charge. However, you may find that you need to complete additional verification if you've not already done so, and this includes uploading your photo ID and address verification. And you'll see there's a minimum of £8 and a maximum of 10,000. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to transfer £50. And if we then click on to Next, you'll receive all the bank details that you need to send your funds to. So at this point, you'll need to head across to your online bank and send your funds across to this account. And an important part of this is the reference number, which will be unique to you, as essentially this maps your Huobi account and payment together, so make sure that you do include this. Once you've sent your payment across, you can then confirm the information shown on screen. And when your payment is successfully transferred across, you can then buy your Bitcoin using your GBP balance. By going to Buy Crypto at the top of the screen again, entering in the amount that you'd like to buy, which in this case will be that £50 I just transferred, and then you can choose the crypto that you want to buy from the drop-down, which again for me will be Bitcoin. It will then show the amount of Bitcoin that you'll receive, and you can choose to buy Bitcoin. Once you've completed your buy, it will then show under your fiat balances. And as it's stated here, you'll need to transfer that across to your exchange account if you want to trade with it, i.e. swap it for another crypto. So let's take a look at how we transfer now. So if we go to transfer, and we're going to be transferring Bitcoin from our fiat account to our exchange account. And here you can state the amount too. Then choose transfer now. If we go to balances at the top of the screen, and then exchange account. And if I search for Bitcoin, under cryptocurrencies, you'll then see my active balance showing here. And what you do with your Bitcoin is completely up to you. You can keep it in Huobi and exchange it for another cryptocurrency using their exchange, where you have a whole host of cryptos to trade between. Plus there's more advanced order types, where you can dictate the price that you'd like to pay for your cryptos, rather than accepting the market rate, and you can also trade with margins or futures. Alternatively, you can also earn interest on it, with current rates at Bitcoin sitting at around 2.88% with their Huobi Earn program. And it's worth mentioning too that Huobi are running promotions as part of their 8th anniversary, where new users can earn 88% with their Huobi Earn first-time offers. Plus you can also get an additional 100% APY on USDT flexible deposits and 88 USDT for completing some predefined tasks. And as I said, I'll put my sign-up link in the summary below that'll get you some discounts from your trading fees. Also, new users will get a 170 sign-up bonus, and all you have to do is follow the instructions on screen. In part 2 of the video, I'll show you how to withdraw your crypto to an external wallet or sell your crypto and withdraw it to a bank account. But that completes how you can easily buy your first Bitcoin with Huobi, and there's a lot more to Huobi than just buying or selling crypto. If you want to find out more about their global exchange or how to earn, then please check out my series of videos. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.